Hey, my name is Ozo, and today I'd like to show you how I build a steady income stream that gives me upwards of $10,000 every single month in recurring revenue on autopilot. And I do this by painting simple wall murals for businesses, agencies, and personal brands. This model of art production is also called out-of-home or outdoor advertisement. Unlike other regular wall murals that you're probably familiar with, wall mural advertising employs a very simple business model, and yet it's highly profitable. In fact, this is a proven method for wall mural artists to have their calendar fully booked for the rest of the year with well-paying clients and get paid for creating art for the rest of the year and say goodbye to project searching that can be highly inefficient and emotionally draining. Think of the cold calling and the cold pitching that artists have to go through, calling strangers that they had no prior relationship or arrangements with, the countless portfolio presentations that are often rejected, the prize competition game that clients often play with artists, the empty project promises that never bears any fruit. But before I proceed, perhaps we haven't met before and you're wondering, who am I? Let me introduce myself properly. My name is Ezefonoze Ejike. I am a professional muralist based in Johannesburg, South Africa, and for the past 2 decades, I've been producing wall mural advertisements for agencies, businesses, and personal brands. And during these years, I have been training successful wall mural producers, helping them establish a profitable business doing exactly what they love. But the fact is that things weren't always like this. 25 years ago, I was a painter, I was a sign writer, painting tuck shops, restaurants, clothing stores, and community spaces in and around Johannesburg. In 2002, I was commissioned by Cell C, a mobile network giant in South Africa, to paint 2 pieces of artwork that were turned into 2 billboards that were in Johannesburg CBD. I produced over 150 wall mural advertisement sites for Recoffee and Cremora in behalf of Nestle South Africa in 2003. I painted and completed the 100-meter high by 90-meter decommissioned cooling tower in Soweto in 2010 for the FIFA World Cup celebration in South Africa. I also painted the second decommissioned tower in 2017 for a local craft beer brand called Soweto Gold. And I've been producing murals for multinational brands like Nike, FMB, Absa, Showmax, DSTV, MTN, Samsung, Soweto Gold, Mukuru, Tiger Brands, Unilever, and the list goes on. I also enjoyed the privilege of being commissioned to paint the president's portrait that was in the Union Building in Pretoria. And in this workshop, I'm about to share with you the 2-step system that took me from street sign writer to a 6-figure wall mural advertisement producer in less than 1 year. I will show you exactly the steps you need to take that will take you from artist or mural artist to top producer in as little as 10 days. I decided to create this program because, as a matter of fact, there isn't any shortage of skilled artists around the world today. In fact, the only thing in short supply is a consistent provision of opportunities for artists to sell their skill as a service so that they can enjoy the financial freedom that comes with being a skilled professional and live life on their own terms. So the Wall Mural Advertisement Blueprint in this workshop provides not just an opportunity for artists and mural artists to get paid for creating art on a consistent basis, but it also affords you as an artist the opportunity to be booked out with well-qualified, well-paying clients for the rest of the year, so that you don't end up with a community of freebie seekers who enjoy your artwork, who love your artwork, but they're never able to actually pay you for it. Instead, you will have a community of big budget advertisement agencies, businesses, and brands who are ready and happy to pay you top dollar for your work and open even more doors for them to get involved in even higher ticket creative projects with you. As a matter of fact, I've painted over 9,000 square meters of wall murals till date, and in the process, I've helped countless wall mural advertisement artists who now have big established businesses for themselves. I have done this for over 2 decades now, and right now I would like to help you as well to establish establish yourself and make profitable business out of your skill as a mural artist. So click below to save your spot for the One Mural Advertisement Blueprint workshop that is scheduled for the 29th of November 2024 at 7 p.m. Whether you are brand new in the wall mural advertisement industry and has no experience or portfolio, or you've been painting wall murals commercially for a while, the Wall Mural Advertisement Blueprint will equip you with the tools and the tech and the know-how of modern mural production and help you establish a profitable business doing exactly what you love, painting wall murals. Click below to save your spot for this workshop, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.